Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this smoky mauve gold spotlight eyeshadow look. I think it's perfect for fall and I'm really ready for fall. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this eyeshadow look, keep on watching. I'm sure you guys can all tell that I already did one eye. It's just much easier that way. So clearly this is what we're going to be doing today, as I said in the intro. To create this look, I'm using the Tartist Pro palette. And I'm first going to start off by priming my eye using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. Just a little dab of that, using my Beauty Blender to blend it out. I'm going to first start off with Mod on this lavish tapered blending brush. As you can see, we're doing a very smoky halo eye. So I'm going to be focusing the majority of these shades on the outer edges of the eye, I guess you could say. Guys, if you have not noticed, I'm not very good at this whole explaining things. So if you're a loyal watcher, thank you. So I'm just continuing to dip back into that shade, and then once I get it on the eye, blending it out. As you can see, I'm focusing it mainly on the inner corner and the outer edge of the eye, but I'm also bringing this shade above my crease, because as you can see with this eye, I'm not going all the way up with that halo effect. Spotlight. I guess this is more of a spotlight eye. I don't really know what the difference is. I just like to play with makeup, okay? I'm not a professional. It's very hot in here. I didn't want to run my AC and bug you guys with it, so waiting until I get done filming to turn it on. Next, I'll be taking the shade Drama on this collab crease brush. And once again, focusing it on the inner and outer corners, but this time I'm only placing it on the inner and outer corners. I'm not going onto the crease with any more of the shades. Plus, I'm slowly going to be focusing the shades towards the center of the eye and less on the outer edge of the eye. And once I get that shade all nice and packed on how I want it, going back in with the lavish brush to blend those edges out and make them nice and smooth. I'm thinking I'm going to be dyeing my hair here soon, because clearly this shade is fading fast. So I need some suggestions, opinions, I'm not sure. But I have 3 colors in mind. I'm thinking either purple, a darker shade of green, or black. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, because I'm extremely indecisive and I can never make up my mind, so I need help. And now I'm going into the shade Punk on this little Morphe blending crease brush. I don't really know what it's called. It does not say on the brush, but I will link it in the description box below. Once again, going more towards the center than I did with the last shade. And I'm not using this brush to blend it at all. I'm just basically using this brush to stamp the product on. And then I'm going back in with the collab brush to start blending those edges with no additional product. So I'm pretty disappointed. I had planned on filming the Boxy Looks box for this month, but I have yet to get my box, so I'm supposed to get it on Thursday, which means that I would be uploading the video on the 31st, because my makeup and murder videos now go up on Saturdays. So should I film it still? I really just can't decide. Like, is it kind of pointless to film it and upload it the very last day of the month? Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments as well. I also ordered another subscription box. This one I believe is going to be a skincare box. and it was free. All I had to pay was shipping on it, so I was planning on also filming that one, but once again, it's not going to be here until Thursday, so I'm really at a dilemma here. I'm at a crossroads. I'm not sure, which one of these boxes should I film? Should I film the Boxy Luxe and upload that one next Wednesday, and then film the other one and upload that one the next Wednesday? Like I said, I'm very indecisive and I need your help. Please let me know in the comments, should I just skip both of them? Should I only film one of them? Or should I do both of them? Does it matter if it's no longer the month of the box? Let me know, guys. I need help. Now I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade 24 Karat Gold. And I'm just going to use the applicator to pop that onto the lid. And I'm doing this very haphazardly because I'm going to go back in with a brush in the shade Ethereal. So this very shimmery gold shade up here, and then place this on top of that gold shimmer, and I'm also going to use it to really carve out that spotlight. So I like to take the top out a little bit further and keep the bottom in more, but with a gradual, I don't know what to call that. It like gradually goes in, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not good with describing things, guys. I'm going back in with that Morphe brush that I used the black with, just to blend those edges a little bit better. No additional product once again. And now I'm going to be taking this Hollywood and Vine black eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to tightline the top and bottom of my eye. And then I'm going to use the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in the shade Black to add the wing. My wings are never even, so we're just gonna have to go with it. And then I'm also extending the eyeliner a little bit here at the inner corner. And I just realized I forgot to highlight, so I'm taking the shade Glam and I'm just going to use my pinky finger to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to repeat those same steps using the same brushes, except for I'm going to skip the black eyeshadow because I already added that pencil liner, so I'll just use that to smoke out with the black. So I'm first starting with Mod on the same brush that I used earlier, and then going in with Drama, really keeping it closer to the lash line this time to smoke out that liner. And now it's just time for mascara and lashes. For lashes today, I'm wearing House of Lashes in the style Siren. And like I said, we're gonna ignore the fact that my winged liner is very uneven. I think this eye is curved up more than the other one because I always just follow my lower lash line as a guide, and I don't know. Every single time I end up with this wing way higher than that one. It's real interesting living in a camper. You can always hear everybody else fighting. Alright, this is the finished look. I think it's perfect for fall, and I am loving this gold, surprisingly. Guys, I don't normally go for a very neutral look. I consider this a very neutral look. So enjoy this rare moment. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. Don't forget to tell me what color I should dye my hair next because I'm way too indecisive to choose for myself. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!